Hi everyone. An aggressive performance kingpin designed for the unapologetic power-hungry rider. An everything black overload, paired with a deep solo seat for lone wolf attitude. Top it off with a high-performance Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine with precision oil, air cooling is the new pinnacle of torque and displacement in a factory-installed Harley-Davidson powertrain. New for 2023, electronic cruise control is now a standard feature and traction control is an optional feature. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin produces 167 Nm of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute. This 1923cc mill is magnificent. Even when spinning those 103.5 mm pistons at 5,000 revolutions per minute through a long 114.3 mm stroke, the engine remains smooth, unstrained and unflustered. It is around those revs that the 117 makes its claimed maximum of 105 horsepower. Service intervals also come around more often, with Harley pegging them at 8,000 kilometers. The fact that thanks to its hydraulic lifters no valve adjustments are required should also help contain long-term servicing costs. In the Low Rider S, the big mill is mainly blacked out, save for the chrome pushrod tubes and polished edges of the cooling fins. The heavy breather intake adds a touch of the custom look straight from the factory. The bike would certainly improve both in audio and aesthetics with a nice exhaust. From the rider's perch you can't see any wiring, and the clutch cable and brake line is routed neatly and well out of the way. The Low Rider S gets the longer rear shock, which helps boost cornering clearance and ride comfort. The mid-mount peg placement when combined with the low seat on the Low Rider. The mid-mount pegs on the Low Rider do at least give you the opportunity to move around the bike and be active on it when corner carving, unlike being stuck in the one position that forward controls generally force you into. The seat is well-shaped, securely located the rider and is adequately padded. The reach to the drag-style bars becomes natural fairly quickly, and the switchgear works well enough, once you get used to having indicator buttons on both sides of the bars. The clutch itself is surprisingly light and smooth enough. The front brake offered good feel right up to the point of ABS engagement. The ABS system is a generation or two behind the latest and greatest on offer from EMU-equipped bikes, but is still light years ahead of early systems and works well enough from a safety standpoint. A pair of 300 mm discs and 4 piston calipers up front are backed up by a 292 mm disc and twin piston caliper at the rear. There is no lack of braking performance and due to the long low stance of the bike, it just squats down and stops without fuss. With 130 mm of front suspension travel and a very generous, by Harley standards, 112 mm of rear suspension travel makes the Low Rider S one of the sweetest riding bikes Milwaukee makes. It handles the bumps so much better than most of the Harley cruiser model lineup. Instrumentation consists of a single bar-mounted conventional tachometer with an LCD inset that shows speed and fuel level, while other functionality can be cycled through easily via a bar-mounted button. 2023 Low Rider S colors: Vivid Black, White Sand Pearl. 2023 Low Rider S prices: US MSRP price, $18,199 to $18,724 US. Canada MSRP price, $24,429 to $24,899 CDN. Europe, UK MSRP price, £19,395 to £19,835, on the road incorporated 20% VAT. 2023 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S features and benefits: rear shocks, preload adjustable monoshock, speedometer. Handlebar-mounted speedometer makes it easy to view while on the roll. Tucking it behind the fairing helps the bike keep its sleek look. Handlebars. 1-inch moto handlebar mounted on 4-inch risers gives the overall look of the bike a coastal style element that puts the rider in an aggressive posture on the bike. Dang styling. Features an FXLRS badge cover and a throwback dropped H logo like that seen on early HD race bikes adorns each side of the tank. Milwaukee-Eight 117. High-performance engine with precision oil air cooling is the new pinnacle of torque and displacement in a factory-installed Harley-Davidson powertrain. And if that's not enough, Boost performance further with dealer-installed Scream and Eagle performance parts stage upgrades from Harley-Davidson genuine motor parts and accessories. Electronic cruise control. For long-distance runs, there's nothing better than letting your bike do all the work. Cruise control puts you just minutes away from true riding bliss. 2023 Low Rider S customization packages. Low Rider S Coastal Package. From the quarter fairing and moto bar to the slotted foot pegs and deep solo seat, this package is all about sleek lines and performance-oriented style for your Low Rider S. 2023 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S key features. Upright riding position. Mid-mount foot controls. Screen. Rebels seeking a now classic West Coast style. Aggressive riding with sport bike agility and handling. Milwaukee-Eight 117 V twin engine and moto-style drag bars. Thanks for watching.